Now, you might not think that Volkswagen's new all-electric ID Buzz and a humble T-shirt share much in common, but there's a very good reason why I'm about to take this ferry to the Isle of Wight. I'm on my way to visit Rapanui, a company that is transforming the idea of fast fashion from the ground up. In the same way that the ID Buzz reimagines how an electric van can work, Rapanui has crafted a smarter, more efficient way of making T-shirts that lowers the impact of the clothes we wear and makes style much more sustainable. In the 1950s, Volkswagen's Bulli microbus was one of a number of pioneering cars alongside the Beetle that transformed mobility for the masses. Now, the all-electric ID Buzz is changing the game once again, this time for e-mobility. Thanks to its adaptable design, it's available as a family-friendly 5-seater or a hard-working panel van with up to 258 miles of all-electric range. Equally, its spacious interior is packed with tech that helps you connect with friends, family and colleagues, whilst also making journeys easier and safer, whether for work or play. So let's find out what else the ID Buzz and a T-shirt from Rapanui share in common. So Matt, thank you so much for inviting me to Rapanui. It's lovely to be here. Tell me a little bit about how you manufacture T-shirts. What makes what you do so different?
We developed a new technology, a new type of factory where products are printed in the seconds after they're ordered. That way we only make what people need when they need it.
You're absolutely right. I think that when we're looking at sustainability, rethinking how things are made is really, really important. So what else have you done to lower the carbon impact of your manufacturing process?
Well, because T-shirts are printed in real time, we can send orders across borders, saving on shipping, carbon and time. These savings we can reinvest into renewable energy, like the solar panels on our roof. And since we began, we believed in a renewable energy future, and today we're a certified carbon neutral business.
Nice work. And you've also really considered the raw materials that you use, haven't you?
Yeah, absolutely. Natural materials grown organically lead to healthier outcomes for the environment and the people that work with it. Our products are made from organic cotton. A pure material makes remanufacturing possible because it's easier to blend new and used materials together. These are materials that have been sent back to us when they've been worn out. And we make new products from the material that we recover. And we use water-based inks and dyes that are free from fossil fuels and other chemicals that are harmful to the environment.
Now that's the same with the ID Buzz because the paints that are used there are organically based, and when it comes to the interior they've actually used sustainable fabrics there as well. So they use a yarn called sequel, which is actually made out of recycled plastic. But I think one of the really big challenges that we have in this area is what to do with a product once it's no longer used.
Yeah, it's a big problem because I think something like 66% of T-shirts are thrown away in the first year after they've been bought, which equates to a rubbish truck every second going to landfill, just T-shirts. The problem is that almost everything in the world is made in the exact same way. You can think of it like a giant conveyor belt where resources are taken from the ground and turned into products that are designed to be thrown away. If you take that line and you bend it into a circle, then the material can flow back to the original manufacturer. And instead of creating waste, you create new products from it. At Rapanui, all our products are designed from the start to be sent back to us when they're worn out, and we create new products from the material we recover, because that's what a real circular economy means to us.
Circular economy is key, and there are parallels there actually with the ID Buzz because it was designed from the very outset to be more easily recycled once it was off the road, and that includes the battery, which is brilliant. So you can actually remove the battery and it can have a second life as energy storage in a workplace or in a home. And if I'm right, you're also opening up your technology for other startup fashion brands to use. How does that work for you?
So for our technology to be a solution, we realised we had to scale from one brand to many. T-Mill lets anyone design and sell their products using our infrastructure and then go circular from day one. Anyone can use it. You can use it, even our competitors can use it. Today, something like 10,000 brands and businesses use T-Mill. What we realised was that while some people say competition is the only solution, actually with cooperation you can go much further, much faster.
Working together, who'd have thought it?
Yeah, definitely. Cooperation is the way to go.
Well, Matt, thank you so much for your time today. It's been brilliant talking to you.
Oh, thank you for coming.
Pleasure. I'm going to sneak off and have a look at your T-shirts.
Please do, help yourself.
We're all conscious of the fact that we have to live and work more sustainably, and the best way of doing that is by thinking smarter from the start. By using lower impact materials, by rethinking the production process to make less and waste less, and by considering how a product can be recycled or reused once it's no longer wanted, Rapanui has shown how we can turn fast fashion on its head. In the same way, Volkswagen has used its 75 years of experience to reimagine how a modern all-electric van works, helping you drive every journey more efficiently and more cost-effectively with less impact on the planet. Now that's smart, sustainable thinking.